Hello, everybody. Hope everyone's doing well, and welcome back to another episode of Car Talk. We're going to call this Car Talk. And I want to talk about Tesla right now. I'm taking the opportunity to buy more Tesla. That's no secret. I've been telling you my plays. I actually sold out of Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and a couple of other stocks so that I could focus on my conviction plays and plays that I didn't buy enough of. Specifically, it's going to be Palantir, Tesla, Nvidia, and Unity. Not as much Unity because I already have enough, in my opinion, of Unity. Tesla's price today was 666.66, so I had to make a video. What's going wrong with Tesla? What's going good with Tesla? And what the heck should you be doing? Number one, you shouldn't be listening to me because I'm just a YouTuber, and all of this is not financial advice, purely entertainment and educational purposes only. But my play, all the time people are like, oh, I wish I bought something. I wish I bought something. And then when you get an opportunity to buy something, when it gets a dip, people freeze up. They don't know what the heck to do. And then when it goes back up, people are going to get mad excited. You got to draw a line in the sand. You got to either do it or don't do it. You got to commit one way or the other. Let's think about Tesla. Let's think logically. Why are people hating on Tesla right now? Elon Musk is unraveling. I heard stories about that. Supposedly he paid somebody $250,000 to keep quiet. All of a sudden he's not voting Democrat. He's going to be voting Republican. Twitter, buy. And people are like, oh, Elon. Look, let's just think super logically. In the short term, is this bad? It doesn't really affect Tesla, really. Is it bad? It affects the share price in a macro economy that sucks. What does this mean for you? A huge opportunity because the macros did not change. The footing and foundations of Tesla remain strong. Bullish. Tesla is bullish, not bearish. In the history of Tesla, at least a handful of times, Tesla dropped 35 to 50% of the price, and then it recovered stronger than ever. A couple of things that Elon's doing. Number one, Gigafactory Shanghai is going back to operation this week. So he's going to be producing pre-closure levels for Teslas. Two, he's planning to increase gigafactories, which is going to increase production in line with his own forecasts of the production cars. Massive one that's going under the radar. This time next year, he says that there will be full self-driving Teslas on the road. After full self-driving Teslas, there's going to be what? Robo-taxis. That is a massive market that a lot of people are not taking into account. Massive. So people think that Tesla is just like Tesla, right? I'm driving the Tesla. They see me rolling. They hate it. No, it's not just that. That is the beginning of Tesla. Full self-driving opens up the door for a tremendous amount of volume, a tremendous amount of forward movement, and a tremendous amount of SaaS, service as a subscription, or subscription-based service, whatever you want to call it, where the full self-driving, you can buy it for 1 month at a couple $100 and then not buy it until you need it again. That's going to cause a lot of people to be buying it. It's printing money. Upgrades, non-stop upgrades. How many times do you upgrade an app in your cell phone? That's going to be a Tesla. Upgrades, right? You don't need hardware. The upgrades are going to be software-based. Software-based upgrades on a car. Tremendous. Never been done before. What do we see ahead of us? The robot. Elon himself says that the robot is going to be bigger than the entire car industry of Tesla. Bigger. Huge one. Elon doesn't believe in marketing because he says that the product speaks for itself. What are they doing right now? Hiring a litigation team. And Elon wants straight thugs, like lawyer thugs, straight up killers on his squad. And he's had enough. People keep playing him. He had enough. And he's going to sue the shit out of people that are, making baseless claims on him. And people are just writing his name to get publicity, to get clout. This is what's happening right now. And a lot of the naysayers or the haters are taking advantage of the situation, being like, oh, Tesla sucks, Elon, blah, blah, blah. I don't think that's the case. I think Elon is super smart. Let me tell you why it's not the case. It's not the case because Elon didn't just make one successful company. He has several of them. I think he's the only one that made 4, I think now $5 billion companies. PayPal, Neuralink, SpaceX, Tesla, and I think Boring Company is a separate company as well. That's 5. 5 companies that he brought to $1 billion valuation. Tesla's a monster. It's not going anywhere. Elon is not unraveling. Elon is who Elon is. Elon's doing what Elon does. I can tell you that I truly believe this because I'm buying shares of Tesla because I did not have enough. And until this whole drop, I didn't even have any. I sold it $4.20 the last time I sold Tesla. I was able to rebuy it around $800. And I've been buying on the way down. And I'm going to keep buying these dips. Huge opportunities with Tesla that people are not taking advantage of. And it's crazy that people are not taking advantage of these opportunities. I think that this litigation team is going to help Tesla a lot. I think Elon is going to be able to countersue and defend himself till the end. And another thing, a lot of people are like, oh, Elon changed his voting from Democrat to Republican. Who cares? What do you think is going to happen after the Democrats are out of office? Eventually, they're not going to be in office. Who's going to be in office? Well, there's a big chance Republicans are going to be in office next election. Big chance. Because of what's happening in the economy. And if that happens, he's getting no love from the government now. The Democrats are not showing Elon no love. Biden never recognizes Elon for anything. He produces more EV cars in America than all the other American companies put together by far, and he gets no love. When the other guy is back in office, let's say Elon does reinstate his Twitter. If the other guy is in office, maybe Elon gets some love. Maybe Elon gets some recognition. Maybe Elon, Tesla, the price prospers under Republicans. Who knows? Who knows? All of this that people are complaining about Tesla is just temporary. It's just temporary. And people are so short-sighted that they're not looking at the bigger picture. Right now, prices suck. Can the prices go down lower? Yes. Are the prices going to go down lower? Probably. How low? I don't know. But I know that I would be watching, very importantly, the next earnings call. Because Shanghai was closed, the earnings are not going to meet expectations because they couldn't possibly make enough cars. That's what I think. But who the hell knows with Elon? Nobody knows with Elon at the end of the day. Elon does what Elon does, right? If they don't beat or they miss, price shares should go down. But with the addition of more gigafactories, I believe in 2024, some more factories are going to go online. It's going to increase the production. And eventually this all recovers. Eventually all of this recovers. Don't bet against Elon. Don't bet against Tesla. And I'm going to give you guys this final thought. Tesla will have fully self-driving cars. They are by a wide margin ahead of everybody else. As long as they have that and they have a fleet of robo-taxis and they're going to produce their own insurances for these people, which is going to undercost the entire insurance market, they're untouchable. By the time people catch up to Tesla's full self-driving, Tesla will have robots in your house to help you with a lot of different things. It's almost impossible to catch up to Tesla. Almost impossible. Not completely, but almost. Take advantage of these dips if you want. Don't take advantage of these dips if you don't want. Definitely don't listen to me. Definitely give me the likes, the shares, and subscribe. And reevaluate your life if you're not taking advantage of the dips. And you've been saying this whole time, I wish there was a dip in something. It doesn't have to be Tesla in anything, including crypto. If you wish for a dip and the dip comes and you don't take advantage of it, then shut the F up. Don't talk about it. If you take advantage of that dip when it does come, kudos to you. Have a great day.